With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, today's question is check the validity of the statement given below by the method given against it. So here it is given the sum of an irrational number and a rational number is irrational number by contradiction method, and Q is given if n is a real number with n greater than 3 then n square is greater than 9. So the first statement that is given as P, the sum of an irrational number and a rational number is irrational. So let an irrational number as root 2 and a rational number as 3. Here we have to add irrational number and rational number, and we have to prove that it is an irrational number by using contradiction method. So first of all we will let it as an rational number. Let root 2 plus 3 as rational number. Now we can write it as root 2 plus 3 is equals to P by Q form if they are rational number, and here P and Q are co-prime number, meaning that they have only 1 as a factor. As we know that we cannot represent root 2 plus 3 is in form of we cannot represent root 2 plus 3 in form of P upon Q. So that means here what we have learned that root 2 plus 3 as rational number is not true, means our assumption is false. Our assumption is false. You can prove it by why we cannot write it in the form of root 2 plus 3. You have studied in class 9. So here we can write our assumption is false. So 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Now, so we can say that this statement is true. Now in the second one we have Q if n is a real number. Here given statement is if n is a real number with n greater than 3 then n square is greater than 9. So if we let n is equals to 3 then its square value is n square is equals to 9, and as we know that if n is greater than 3 then n square is greater than 9, because if we take value that is greater than 3, if we let n as 4, let n is equals to 4, then we get square of that number as 16. So here n is greater than 3, and here n square is greater than 9. So if we let any number greater than 3 then its square will be greater than 9. So this statement is true. This statement is true. So that is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.